It's not a lot. Swimming is a mental sport and a psychological sport. So the first thing that we want to do is make sure that you're comfortable around water. So after that, we make sure that you become water safe. So first, you got to deal with your mind, your fears and everything. Then we make you water safe, which is the very important thing, the whole reason why we want to swim. Then after that, we start teaching you skills. How to stroke, freestyle, backstroke, all of those strokes, they come after first you're safe. So the first thing that we have to make sure is, are you water safe? Okay, if it happens that you are home and you're just passing by the pool and you fall into the pool, can I say, okay, as a coach, you're safe enough to
get yourself out
of the pool? So that is the first thing. That is the first thing that we teach even to kids, water safety.
Okay.
Then from there, we start building skills. And building a skill takes time because it's discrete movement that need to be really defined. We can repeat one instruction 1,000 times because at the end of the day, we want to get perfection out of the movement. We don't want to skip stages because if you skip stages, then at some point we might have to go back to fix certain issues.
Yeah.
We make sure that we take our time. That is why sometimes it looks like it takes forever to know how to swim. But it comes from, again, the mindset. People are different. For example, we're running 12 weeks program. Some people take less than 12 weeks just to learn how to swim. Some person, because of how they are in their mind, maybe you are that person. They would take like 4 weeks to just get a basic skill. And we move with the client. We don't hold them back because we have milestones that we have set. If you can learn 3 or 4 things in a day, then we move on.
The better. Okay.
So from there, from just being water safe with skills, from skills now becomes training. That's when we start training your system. I great think about how you are worried. Swimming works your whole body.
Yeah.
That's when we start doing that swim. Let go of the tension.
Why does it feel like
No, you are.
This isn't easy at all, huh?
Okay, what is it really that you're afraid of?
Of my head getting submerged with my Smithians,